Welcome everyone. The on-demand training will begin shortly. Please make sure your audio is connected, grab a notepad, and get ready to level up your skills with ABC IQ's cutting-edge workforce programs. Today, we're diving into mind science, problem-based learning, and personalized education strategies that apply the law of attraction to real-world success. You'll learn how to integrate space-time continuum theory, E equals ME squared, and multiple intelligences into your career, health, and daily life. Whether you're in education, healthcare, AI, or cannabinol-pathic pharmacology, today's session will empower you with tools for the future of work, today. Welcome to this ABC IQ Skills Lab webinar, presented by ABC IQ Group of Companies and the Kearney Chuchmuch Foundation, Inc. We're thrilled to have you join us as we explore new frontiers in workforce development, science, and applied intelligence. At ABC IQ, we're not just teaching skills, we're building future-ready minds. Whether you're upgrading your career or unlocking your potential, you're about to step into a new dimension of learning, one that's personalized, practical, and powerful. Let's dive in and explore what it truly means to empower workforces of the future today.